I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add funds to your Affirm balance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your balance and funding options. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, find the option that displays your current balance. This is usually located on the main dashboard or under the account section. Step 3. Select Add Funds. Look for the Add Funds button. This option allows you to transfer money into your Affirm account. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your funding source. You will be prompted to select a funding source. This can be a bank account or a debit card. Ensure that the details are correct to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. After entering the amount you wish to add, review the details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully added. Just a quick note, if you are using a debit card, make sure it has sufficient funds to avoid any errors during the process. Happy funding!